Hello, second grade. Got my chalkboard, my chalk, and a chamois. Pay no attention to my fingers. My daughters have been doing some nail polish on me. I'm okay. All right, so once we've got our three things, our chalkboard, our chalk, and our chamois, I want our chalkboard to be straight up and down. And start out by drawing a straight line right in the middle, not going all the way to the top, not going all the way to the bottom. Remember, in form drawing, only draw what Mr. Pfeiffer does. Nothing extra, nothing less. All right, once we got our straight line, we're going to come up to the top, starting on the left, and we're going to do a nice arc right along the top there. As you can see, Mr. Pfeiffer, where he starts, he tries to stop. So it's kind of like if you took a ruler and laid it across there, it would be a nice straight line. Once we get that one done, let's go to the bottom, do the same thing. We come around, come up again, try and stop right in the same spot. Fairly simple. If you need more practice, please take it. That's how we get better at things, we practice. So once we got that one done, let's erase it. Let's do it one more time. Straight line in the middle, as straight as you can get. Excuse me. Once we get our straight line, we're going to draw our arc on the top, and we're going to draw our arc on the bottom, trying to get that straight line across, that imaginary one that we can't see, but pretty close. We don't want it like that. That's not right. We don't want it like this. It's a little off. So again, try and line it up as straight as possible. So now, once we have this, I'm going to come back up to the top again and draw an arc on the first one. And when we do that, see how this distance in between the two arcs is pretty much the same? So what that means is we don't want it to be like this right now. That's a whole different type of form drawing. And we don't want it like super close again. Okay, so try and keep that distance pretty much the same apart. And once we get the top one in, do it on the bottom. And trying to keep that distance between the two arcs the same. Looks good. I know you're all doing a great job. You always do. And once we get that done, erase it. And let's draw another straight line. So we get that done. What do you think we're going to do? That's right. Back on the top. Back on the bottom. Another one on the top, keeping that distance as even and consistent as we can. On the bottom, looks like a big smiley face and the start of a rainbow, huh? Rainbows make us happy. Makes sense. So now that we've got two arcs, we'll come back up to the top, and again, trying to keep that distance as even as possible. Draw one more. So we have three on the top. If we have three on the top in form drawing, what do we usually do? That's right, we need three on the bottom. Come on over. It's a nice big smile for this beautiful rainbow. Once we got that down, let's erase our boards. Practice as much as you need. All right, take your time. Do the best you can. I know you're going to do a great job. Once we get that down, we're going to come back to our board. We're going to draw a straight line at the top, a very short one. Much shorter than what we were drawing, right? You'll see why in a sec. So we get that. We're going to do our arches at the top and bottom. Again, trying to make sure we get that imaginary straight line going across. So I've got one there. Let's come down to the middle again. Draw another straight line. Another arch at the top. Arch at the bottom. And let's draw that second arch like we've been drawing. And try and keep that distance between the two arches the same. Excuse me. So now our board should look like this. Now we've got all this space on the bottom, I wonder if you guys can figure out what we're gonna do. Let me show you. So, another straight line. Arch on the top. Arch on the bottom. Arch on the top, trying to keep that consistent. Oh, you can't see that one. The arch on the bottom. And one more arch on the top, so the one with the 3. Arch on the bottom. Try and fit it in best you can. So it goes 1, 2, 3. And once we get that down, I want you to practice till you really got it good and you fit it in the page really nice. So we shouldn't have like this, really tiny. Get it to fill up the whole page. Once we get that, move over to your book, and I used green because it's springtime and I'm seeing all the plants start to come back. It's getting really exciting. It means summer's right around the corner and it's going to be warm again. So add it into your book. You don't have to use green. Green just made me really excited right now because of what's happening outside. All right, second grade, have fun. We'll see you next time, and we're going to combine the last 2 forms we did in a really cool way. So have a good day. Bye.